What I wish I knew about hiccups back in the day. They don't have to last forever. Here's how to stop them fast. First up, try sipping ice-cold water. The shock will distract your nerves. No water? No problem. Hold your breath and count to 10. Still hiccuping? Gulp down a spoonful of peanut butter. The sticky texture can reset your diaphragm. Or, go for the classic. Pull out your tongue. It sounds weird, but it works. Got a friend around? Ask them to scare you. A good fright can interrupt the spasm. And if all else fails, try chugging a glass of water while pinching your nose. It's tricky, but effective. Hiccups be gone. Which trick worked for you? Drop a comment and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.